Hello friends, I am Dr. Richa Sharma. Today I am giving you the demonstration on how to use free conference call app. So here I give you a brief demonstration and I will tell you what are the steps and what are the instructions we have to follow while using free conference app. For downloading this app on your PCs, click on the browse and type freeconferencecall.com. Enter. Then a pop-up box appears in which two things are to be asked. One is your name and second is email ID. And putting all these two things, your free conference call is installed and this type of icon is appeared on your desktop screen. When you click on this icon, this screen comes. Here you are having two options. First is join a meeting and second is host a meeting. So first I will tell you what is the difference between two. Join a meeting is that you get the invitation from someone to join the meeting, and host means you want to host a meeting, you want to invite the participants or the friends for the meeting. Here you are having the option profile, in which your profile, how you create your login account is shown, and then this is home screen which shows these two important icons. So first I will tell you how to host a meeting. Click on the host button. When you click on the host button, you saw a screen in which you see so many buttons. One is the mute button, audio, video, invitation, share, record, attendee, chat, preferences, leave. So this shows dial into the meeting. So before joining the meeting, join with computer audio, you mute your mic. This is one of the very important instruction which we have to follow to mute our mic button. If we are not mute our mic button, it will create the disturbance and it will create the noise and we are not able to listen clearly. So next is join with computer audio. So when I click on this type of screen comes, Dr. Richa Sharma and my email ID from which I logged in. So I mute it. As I am the host, so I have to speak the things, so I unmute this button. When this button is blue, it means that the people, the audience can listen me, and audio button is always in the blue mode. If I am the host, I want to show something, then I click on this and the screen comes where you can see the host what he wants to share the things. So here I again stop the video. So next is invite. I want to invite the people for my meeting. This is the details for the meeting. Online meeting ID, I can share this online meeting ID with my friends, or I can copy all this and email to my friends. If I want to email, then invite by email. If I want to copy to the clipboard and do the email by pasting it on the email body. So next is I want to show you attendees. Look at this side. As I am the host, it shows host with my name in the green color. It means that I am hosting the meeting, and as I am not inviting other participants, so you see only my name. When other people join this meeting, the name will come here downwards. These are some buttons which are to be controlled by the host who is hosting the meeting. He can mute the participants, he can hold the meeting, he can lock the meeting, so he can search the participant by the name. Then there is one chat box. In the chat box I can type my queries. What is free conference meeting? Means I put my query to the participants, or I put my question to the, anybody can give the answers, or just I am saying hello to all. So my chat is appear here. Then there is the important button which is to be used by the host, share. Here we can share the screen. Means if I want to share some data, I want to show some PPT, I want to show some video, some PDF file, so I can use this share button. So I click on desktop, start sharing. Now you people are able to see my screen, and who is speaking is appear on the right top corner. As I am speaking, Dr. Richa Sharma, and this is my screen which I want to share you. I will open a PPT to show you. So a PPT appears on some topic, science enrichment. Topic is science and subject enrichment activity. So you can see the content of the PPT. So in this way you can share your data with your participants. So if I want to close it, I close it. I want to show something else. Let's say I want to show this logo, Punjabi University logo, to you. So this appears. So in this way you can share the data in the free conference meeting. If I click on this, I pause sharing, then their options come. Pause screen sharing, I want to stop screen sharing, or I want to pause, or I can stop. If I stop, it shows the inactive sharing option. So in this way you can share your, as if you are a teacher, of if you are a hosting a meeting, you want to show your PPT, you can share your data with the audience or the participants. Then attendees I have told you. Then there are more. In more you can invite more people. You are having the option to start recording whatever the meeting is going on. It from start to end, the meeting is to be recorded. It shows that the number of participants, who attend, when attend, who leave. It shows everything, the details of the participants, when he joined, when he leave, how many times he rejoined. So these are the details. So and next is leave. If I want to leave the meeting, it shows leave meeting. Do you want to leave? If I click on yes, this meeting is over. If I want to cancel it, I resume the meeting. So I hope I have told you all the things related to the free conference meeting. If you are having any queries, you can mail me related to this. And the most important thing is, the important buttons are this mic button and video button. The host has to on his video, and his microphone is also on mode, so that others can listen him properly. So all this, as you see these dots on this side, it means that I am an active speaker and people can listen me. When other people join this meeting, there are two options come at this bottom. One is all participants and another is active speakers. When you click on active speakers, the people who are having their mics unmute appears in that list. And one important thing here, the host can have the option to make someone else as the presenter. For example, someone other wants to share his screen, so the host gives the right to that person to become a presenter, and when he becomes a presenter, he is able to share his screen, as I am sharing my screen and I am showing you the PPT on my screen. The same things can be done by the other person who is acting as a presenter. He can show you his PPT, his PDF, his voice recording or the video recording, whatever. So coming back to this, I hope I will make you familiar with all the things in the free conference call app. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and hope this video will be fruitful for you. Thank you.